If you ain't got a dream, you ain't got nothing. A lot of niggas changed on me when I got money. Say it come with the game, and this what I wanted. So I'ma hustle like the first time I got.
How's it going, guys? Good morning. It's your boy Dre Day Designs back again with another banger video. Alright guys, so we're at Masterminds. We got my brother Mario's car in the back. And then what am I doing to Two-Face's car? It's already in the back too. Am I painting it? Am I rewrapping it? What am I doing it today? I don't even know, guys. I'm kidding. Stay tuned, stick around. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I got planned for you guys today. Hey. Alright guys, make sure to follow Masterminds. I'll put the link in the description. Hit up Javi, Two-Face M3, and hit up my brother Mario. Let him know what you guys want done on your car. It could be any car, it doesn't necessarily have to be a BMW, or preferably they want BMWs here. But it could be any car, guys. They do it all. Wraps, tints, literally body work, headlights, installing side skirts, installing front lips, any installation, they could do it all. Just let them know you guys came from Drizzy Dre Day Designs, they'll hook it up. Bow. Guys, so we're halfway in the car. My body's hurting, I'm tired, especially my finger is hurting a lot. Gotta take a little break. But before I go, I want to let you guys know what I've accomplished so far. So I already put the first coat, as you guys can see. It just needs like 1 or 2 more coats. After that, I'm gonna go back, I'm gonna put the details on, the blacks, the whites. So basically I'm gonna draw the money sign, I'm gonna draw the face, all that good stuff.
up guys, this is me, Javier, Two-Face from Masterminds. Well, I'm the one who does raps. You can see right here, I have my tools always ready to rap, bro. That's Mario right here.
What's up guys, my name is Mario, aka Lucifer M3. So yeah, we do headlights, we do wraps, we do basically anything you guys want. We do clear bras, we do custom caliper painting, we do repaint of wheels, powder coating, you name it. You think about it, we go ahead and try to make it. Even if we don't know how to make it, we go ahead and hook you up enough to you to, give us the trust and confidence to do it. But yeah, these are Andre's headlights. We actually did a Fav Group setup of DTM kit on it. He did add a carbon fiber eyebrow with a striped corner lens. He did add also a decal of M. Everything is gloss black. So far the headlight looks amazing. We're probably gonna go ahead and add a little bit more polish on the lens to make it even more glary. But this is a huge difference from the stock one. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what a stock one looks like. So this is a stock headlight. Lenses are done. If you notice, there is chrome shrouds all the way around. This is a solid piece. So it just looks boring, like it needs something. And I don't know if you guys notice, you spend so much money on an expensive car for it to come with halogen bulbs, Not even the 335 IS comes with halogen bulbs, it comes with LEDs. So what do? We upgrade it. We could give you a round halo, DTM, 3/4, you name it. 6K vision kit, there's a new kit. We even try to, push the boundaries of making something different for you guys. If you guys think of something, we can go ahead and do it for you guys. We do lip installs, we do anything. So if you guys need something, out of the ordinary, go ahead and make it.
Hit up my homie Mario and hit up the homie Javi, Two-Face M3. And guys, when I turn on the lights,
You distanced yourself from the whole thing.
So my brother Two-Face got the gold decals.
Bro, so badass.
Damn, those came out fire, bro.
Yeah, for real.
Do the honors, brother. Damn, that came out fire, bro.